how to create a job on the EXFO Exchange Mobile smart app on a smartphone. I'm already logged into Exchange and I'm already connected to a test unit. You don't have to be connected to a test unit to create a job. I just happen to be in this particular one. So from the main home screen in Exchange Mobile, select the menu pancake in the top left and then go to Jobs. And this is where you can create your job. In this case here in the top right, I'll hit the plus sign and I will give this job a name. And I will call this OTDR testing. I'll select my test type. In this case, it's going to be OTDR. And then I'll add my test point sequence. And so this is the prefix for your file name and also the numbering. So in this case here, I will put in the A location as Goodyear _ and then Phoenix and another underscore. And I'll say 0001. That's my starting prefix. So I'm testing from Goodyear to Phoenix on fiber 1. And then essentially here, what I want to do is I want to put in there Goodyear to Phoenix and then whatever my ending is. In this case here, we'll say we're going to test 12 fibers. And so the software is intelligent enough to know what the preview will look like. And then if I'm happy with the way it looks, in the top right, I'll hit save. And those test points are added. I can add additional test points if I want. So if I want to add fiber inspection or OPM testing or something, I can add those as well. If I want to do bidirectional and have the B to A, I can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save here. And that'll create the job. Now within the jobs menu, I have that job now. If I select that job, you'll see that we have all the different test points here. If I had multiple test types, then I can sort them by test type, or I can sort them by test point. So if I have a fiber inspection probe, you would see the OTDR followed by the fiber inspection probe for fiber number 1. If I'm happy with this, in the top right, I'll hit those 3 dots. I have my test set already connected. I can go ahead and send to the test unit. And you'll see in the bottom, we'll get a notification that the job is now on my handheld AXS-130 OTDR. I'm going to run a simple test on my OTDR just to show you what the results look like. So that cloud symbol on the right tells us that this job is synced to our Exchange workspace in the cloud. If I click on the job itself, once the testing is done, the test set will synchronize automatically with Exchange because we're connected. And you'll see in the bottom, you saw where it's transferring results. And now we have our first OTDR test here completed. And on the right, we get the status of the sync. So right now it's synced to the phone, but it's currently syncing to the cloud as well. And now we have a check mark there showing that it's synced to the cloud. At any time, I could have clicked on it to look at the job. So this is all interactive here. If I want to tag a GPS, I can do that. If I hit the 3 buttons in the top right, then I can create a report. And so this will create a PDF that you can share using your smart device to email, to a text message, however you want to send it. So here we have a nice PDF in here on my smart device. If I wanted to add a note, I can do that as well. If I want to add my location, I can do that. If I even want to add a picture, I can hit View Attachments. And I can add an attachment by pressing the plus in the bottom right. And I can take a picture. And now that picture will be associated with this trace and sync to the cloud. And that's how you create a job on EXFO Mobile, look at results, and generate a quick report. My name is Kevin Pearies. Thank you very much.